Hey, this is Lance Sumner out here in the Washington, D.C. area, and today I just wanted to take the time to share with you an awesome way to get yourself started making money online, maybe for the first time, and why this would be important to you, especially if you've tried so many times before. I know that a lot of people out there, especially I talk to every day, are just so frustrated. They've joined this opportunity, they can't get started, they don't get the support, they really don't know what to do. And maybe, and like in a lot of the opportunities that I've joined in the past, some of them didn't have the right tools in place, the right training, or to show you exactly what you needed to do, but yet you were supposed to just go ahead and join, and then you're supposed to figure out, where do you get this traffic from, and how to get things started or rolling. And that was just very frustrating. I know a lot of you already are out there that are frustrated. You're just tired of never making any money. All you've ever been doing is spending money. Hey, I've been there, done that. Okay. The good thing is, though, what I'll tell you is never give up. Because I told myself a long time ago when I started looking at people, seeing them saying they're making money, connecting with some of these people, finding out what they're doing, and we have to exercise some patience here and take the time to go through that little bit of a learning curve. And don't get overly frustrated. Once you fail, something doesn't work, nothing works. You go into this mentality and nothing works. Just have the never give up mentality. You will be successful if you take the time, keep doing your due diligence and research on the program that's of your interest or whatever you're going to get started in, and learn exactly what it is to do. Now, we'll tell you that you should be looking for systems, opportunities that have automation, a back office where you can see everything that goes on, a funnel such as capture pages, video sales letters or pages, those kind of things, and the ability to have a way to track your links when you do send traffic so you know how each campaign's doing. You're looking for those good solid programs that can produce results. Why do I say that? Because I've done a lot of those in the beginning that didn't have any of that, and I didn't really know what to do, but I kept trying with a lot of failure. But now that I'm successful, have produced income, and because of it, and I will tell you the good thing about that is once you do start producing the income, and that's why I'm going to share something with you in a minute that will really help you, you'll be able to branch out, and you'll start doing some research over, hey, I like this, that's my interest, I'm going to do that too. Now take a little bit of that piece of the income and have that additional income stream. And now I have multiple sources of income which flow in. And that's what we call multiple streams of income. Okay, some systems have multiple streams of income, and this is one of them I'm going to share with you. But the most important thing about this is learning how to do things the right way the first time. And that's why I want you to see this, what I'm going to put on the screen here in a minute, and show you why it's important, especially for beginners. This gives you step by step what you need to do, exactly what it's all about, what you need to do, and just execute. And the key to success, I will tell you, don't just do something one time and then wait 3 days and I'm going to try it again and you're not getting results. Daily consistent action produces results. Your daily consistent action. What is your daily method of operations? You start mapping that out and laying it out. But let me get you to the screen. I know you can be successful because I was failing and I've become successful, and I'm here to help anybody that wants it. Feel free to reach out to me, no problem, here to help you. So let's get to the screen here. All right, so anyway, what I want to share with you is something I came across with Anthony, and then so partner with Anthony program. Now, why is this important? Anthony is really he's already highly successful. He's been on TV before where they've interviewed him about how he became successful, his story, where he came from, and now he's laid it out and given this right here, as you see, step-by-step sessions and training, exactly what to do in a very chronological order so that you do it. You don't go here and then you go way over here and then come back. It's very step by step, exactly what this is about, what you need to do, and start building your income and get that income growing and growing larger. And I really like him because he's very relational, and he always will let you know that I'm here for your success. He cares about people, and he does live trainings every Thursday, which is awesome because he gives things away. He creates funnels for our whole team, and just literally gives us funnels that are already laid out. Capture page, video sales letter, thank you pages. And it goes right off to the opportunity, shows us traffic, as you can see up here, traffic bootcamp, fast traffic source, and some other resources up here. But I want to show you starting out with session 1 here. You can see. First steps, he's just going to give you a little overview with him. Tour your commission accounts so you understand the back office and the biggest reasons people fail. People fail because they give up too early. They try one thing, it doesn't work for them, they get frustrated, and we live in an impatient society. Just exercise it. Patience with persistence leads to prosperity. Take the time to learn the ropes, and you will be successful. Register for the Thursday live trainings, and then you go on to the next lesson. Let's see what that is so I can show you. Rethink your success. 12 principles to uncovering the entrepreneur in you. You gotta dig down deep, and every morning you should wake up, go to YouTube. I don't care what it is, audio, Audible, audiobook or something. Find something motivational, or continue in your learning process as an entrepreneur, because there's new skills, there's new strategies, things that come along that you want to keep abreast and keep developing yourself, because it really comes into play when you can learn that expertise in a specific area, such as driving traffic or a specific tool, because it really will help increase your ability to have better results. And keep your momentum. When you get the momentum, finally get it rolling, and in that momentum, you're just going to keep it going and keep scaling up. Concept of scaling up. Income begins to come in. Now I'm going to scale up what I've already learned within this specific, as an example, a specific traffic strategy. Now I just scale up, and all of a sudden what was coming in is now doubled. Okay. So session 3, let's see what that looks like over here. I'm going to talk to you really what affiliate marketing is, and the profit cycle blueprint, very important. Lays out the cycle, exactly how it works. Basic tools, those key tools needed. I can tell you right now there are 3 top tools I know you need. Ability to create a funnel, having an autoresponder, the concept of always be building your list, to build the relationships, build your team, and that is very relational to your income growth if you do it the right way, and that's what you're showing here. And then, of course, having a way to track your traffic campaigns with your links in a tracking tool. And that's real important, because as an example, I could build 2 capture pages, and I'm going to do a split test. I'm going to drive traffic to these capture pages, and I'm going to find out which one is producing the best results and becomes the winner. You're showing all that here. As a matter of fact, you're already given the funnels if you'll attend the live trainings on Thursday. All right, then review the business model. Let's go to session 4. Trying to take you down to session 5, because this is where it starts getting really good, and I'll talk to you about a system. Right here we'll talk about it, but they'll lay it out in session 5. Success story. Money's important to everybody. We got to pay the bills, got to pay the mortgage, got to pay the electricity, the water, garbage, your TV. Can't live without the movies, right? Got to spend. Can't live without the cell phone. All right, and the ecosystem explained. So ecosystem, what Anthony's done for us is the ability for us to go ahead and take everything that we've become part of within his program, is to go ahead and take those affiliate links that are tied to this and put them in the ecosystem. That way, when he shows us how to do the traffic and send traffic to the one specific link, we will earn across the board on that ecosystem. We will earn more than just that initial driving traffic to that one link. And I'll show you in a second. Being able to expand your ecosystem, and then just the recap. So session 5, he'll go over here, and never give up, starting out, a mentality of never give up. The people who don't win are the people who don't continue, who don't stay the course. Tools revealed. I revealed like 3 top tools to you that's absolutely needed. Setting up your profit center links. If I clicked on one of these things, a video will open up. Every one of these are done in a video with him explaining exactly what to do, showing you on screen, drawing things out. He's very artistic in a sense of, drawing things out, showing you how the funnel works, where it's going to go off into your autoresponder, and then when it comes out of the, setting up the email series with your autoresponder so that it will produce greater results as people read those or get those emails. So all of this is provided right here. And let me go click off that back, and then activate your ambassador links. What's coming next? Let's go to the next module that I'm going to next here. All right, and then we're going to talk about expand your marketing. Session 15, done for you Facebook ads, things that are already produced for you. All you have to do is follow what he's showing in the video. Go execute. Your marketing plan explained, and then how do you lay out exactly now that you've learned some of these skills through these sessions? What's the marketing plan, or what's the strategy you're going to use? And once you've learned this one strategy and it's become really good and it's really producing results, then you can take the time, and I kind of say that for myself, take the time and begin to learn an additional strategy without stringing yourself out too far. That's what you don't want to do. And get good at that first one, into the next one, and now you're becoming an expert to where you can help your team do the same thing. It becomes a duplication of effort. All right, so this is the area where you can do step-by-step training, especially for beginners. You got an opportunity to start the right way the first time and not have to go through failure of just joining something, not having support, not having the training, not having the capture pages that you need, or knowing how to deal with the traffic. And then so I'm going to take you over here to show you when you first log in, you would come here into the dashboard, partner with Anthony, any courses that you have or dealing with, additional education training for you as an entrepreneur, if you choose to do so. The most important one is to partner with Anthony. You may think, oh yeah, there's a cost to this. Yeah, there's a cost to this. Really low, $7. Okay, does that make sense? Yeah, just to get yourself started here, to start going through the training and learn exactly the right way to build an online income. Now we're going to go, the one I really am enjoying right now is learning how to deal with a fan page. Right now, I have this fan page, after learning the training here, have now had it growing daily, where people are coming in, leaving comments, likes, and shares. And that's the good thing. Once you learn how to do that right, the shares is where it starts growing virally. And at the same time, people are filling out, he teaches you, people are filling out the little capture page link where they're dropping into your list. So guess what? As it grows exponentially, the list is growing larger, and then you're able to share any kind of opportunity that you're doing with to your list. Make sense? I hope so. All right, so I just wanted to show you the dashboard. Now let's go over here to the where you can take a look. So all these things here, if I went over here, partner with Anthony, all the campaign links are here. You can see all your commissions being made. So when I first started here, I went through to get to 5 as quickly as I could. And I want to go back real quick. Let me just go back real quick. So the ecosystem, we're talking about setting up the profit center links. So right here, you're just going to go in, and you're just going to go in and set up all the links that you're going to have. Create your account if you don't have it. And it's going to be, or how do I get my affiliate links? It's going to be a short video, tell you exactly what to do and how to do it, and then come back here and put your information in the ecosystem, your profit center links. Now, I'm just going to focus on the traffic and what Anthony is teaching, and drive the traffic to the Partner with Anthony program, and I can earn across the whole ecosystem. I hope that makes sense to you. Just wanted you to be able to see it. Okay, so over here back, campaign links as mentioned, be able to see your commissions and be able to see how the clicks are doing when you do drive traffic. All the way through the whole breakdown of conversions, to someone going into the capture page, to a sales conversion, to the earnings per click. and being able to understand that, because that's important and that's a skill in itself. How do you calculate that? But it's done for you in here. Let me just show you real quick. Haven't really sent any traffic here in the past 7 days, but we'll check it out. Last 7 days. Going to look at unique clicks. This is what I'm talking about. It's already built for you. You're just driving traffic to the link. I have had this amount of clicks over the past, and this is something, like I said, didn't really send much traffic over the past 7 days here. And you're looking at your earnings per click on this one. It was 21 cents. It was 6 cents here. And letting you understand about keeping it low. Like if you're doing Facebook advertising, that earnings per click would be like 3 times that, if not more. And that's what he's trying to help us understand, to keep the earnings, or not the earnings per click, but the cost per click, those costs down. But this is just need to drive traffic and produce the results. And also you got the definitions of everything right here, understanding that. So anyway, this was just to give you an idea exactly how to do it the right way. You get the step-by-step lessons, knowing exactly how to set up everything, the important tools you should be using, and this is just a very simple step-by-step system to get you up and going and building an income online as quickly as possible. Now, I will tell you that I've done a lot of things online with a lot of failure in the early period of starting out, but the good thing is, again, to remind you, is this is a solid system. Don't give up on yourself and start thinking that I can never do it, because you can. I'm producing a good income now where I have additional income streams, but to partner with Anthony is where people need to start to learn the right way the first time. And I don't care if you're fairly experienced or not, and or whatever, but even if you're already earning income, this is a way for you to really produce a greater income because of the ecosystem you get to set up, and then come in and just deal with whatever traffic strategy you use and build yourself a larger income. All right, hope this was helpful. I'm here for anybody, you want to message me anytime, feel free to do so. I'm here to help you and give you support as needed and help you to be successful online. In the description block below the YouTube video, be some information and details. Please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to produce some more videos as I go to help people in their online journey. And again, everybody have a blessed evening.